Happy Saturday! You know what day it is. But today we're going to do something different. We haven't gone thrifting in a while, and I have the bug to go thrifting. So that's what we're going to do today. So if you love thrifting like me, want to save money, get the Luxe look for less, let's go shopping, or thrifting, should I say, to see what we can find to make our homes beautiful for spring and summer. So we haven't gone thrifting in a while, and I was excited to see what I was able to find or was going to find. I saw these really pretty red, I guess they were like decorative plates. If they had been black and white, you guys know I would have picked those up, but I did leave those in the store. They didn't really have a lot in the Goodwill this time. I did see this sculpture, and it reminded me of some pieces that I saw at West Elm and Overstock. So I considered picking it up because I am going to be doing a close collaboration with a very good friend of mine here on YouTube. And that's one of the reasons I decided to come and see what I can find in the Goodwill. But I'm not having any luck at all.
Birds fly south for the winter, but she ran to the west side. And though much was stolen, much still abides. And I know she'd rather keep her distance, but as time moves on.
There wasn't really a lot in this store, so on to our next Goodwill. So at this Goodwill, I did find some really pretty glassware. I love the wavy detail in these glasses. I considered buying them because it was only 99 cents. But because I do have a lot of glassware at home, I did leave that behind. The purpose of this thrifting trip is I am trying to look for something to upcycle. I have a collaboration coming up, and I want to find something that I can upcycle and actually use in my home. One of my goals this year was to not bring in anything that I wasn't going to use. So I saw this vase, and it reminded me of the one from Target. And I've seen similar ones at CB2, so I thought this might be a good option, but as you can see, it has an etched detail, and I felt like that would still show through after it was painted, so I did leave that in store. I saw this really retro looking coffee carafe. I don't know if it was really vintage or not. It looked vintage, but I did leave that behind as well. So much junk. Nothing but junk. So I'm still on the hunt. I do use fabrics from this section from time to time in DIYs. Leave me a comment down below. Do you guys ever go to like the sheet area where they have curtains and buy those items and use for material in your DIYs? I do. I'd like to know if anyone else does that too. Please leave me a comment down below. Again, over here, all you can see is more junk. And then I saw this. It was a heavy crystal vase. It was $1.99. And I thought, maybe I would be able to do something with it. It looks promising, so I did pick that up. Again, more junk. Leave me a comment down below. Are you guys seeing any good things in your local Goodwills? I have not seen anything in quite a while. I know it's spring cleaning, so maybe, just maybe, we'll see something soon. I saw these cute little dishes, and I thought they could possibly be an upcycle. You guys know I like succulent, so I thought about that. The electronic section, again, nothing favorable here. Just nothing but junk. I did see this, someone's previous DIY. Yeah. I don't have much to say about that. I'm sure someone else may like it, but not me. So, guys, I am going to continue looking for something to upcycle, but I thought I would take you along on this quick trip to my local Goodwill Again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you're finding anything. And stay tuned to the next video to see if I picked up anything, or actually what I did pick up to do my upcycle. So until next time, I will see you in the next video.